Good day, everyone. Today, we will be making a brochure using the Microsoft Word. So let's start. Step 1. Open your Microsoft Word, then click New, search Brochure for brochure template. Then, choose your desired template and press Enter. Second step. Customize the brochure based on the desired content of your brochure. And the third step is to choose the style you want and select Create to download the template, and the template will automatically save the Microsoft Word. The fourth step is to remove the text and replace it. There's also a tip here. To customize the text and change the font, color, and size. The fifth step will be replace the sample images if desired. Select an image, right-click, and select Change Image. Choose the location of the picture you want to use, navigate to the image, and select Insert. Step 6. Default color theme of the template. Go to the Design tab. And the seventh step is to select the color drop-down arrow and then choose a theme. And the second to the last step, save the brochure, changes when you finish customizing. And the last step is to save the brochure, go to File, and select Save As, Desktop, and choose Word 9/7/2003 Documents. That's the video of making a brochure in Microsoft Word. Hope you understand well. Thank you.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my budget planning tutorial. Today, I'll walk you through how I created my monthly budget for April. Simple, realistic, and easy to manage. So let's get started. Microsoft Excel, click on Blank Workbook to begin. Step 2. Set up headers. So in row 1, type the following headers such as categories and your plans and actuals and differences. Step 3. Add budget categories. Now, list your incomes and expenses in column A. So first is income. So in income, my source of income is my allowance from my parents and scholarship grants. My parents give me 5,200 a month and 1,000 from my scholarship. To get my total allowance, we have the formula of the sum, that is all caps, and then open parentheses F5 to F6, or you just have to drag down from F5 to F6, then click enter to get the total. After which, provide a space between income and expense, then let's proceed to our expenses. So for our expenses, we have the categories of living or housing, regular payments, food expenses, personal expenses, and for transportations. So those are just my categories for my weekly expenses. But if you have yours, you have your own categories to add there, you can add them or you can include them in your weekly expenses. Step 4. Enter planned amounts. In column B, enter how much you spend for each categories. So for example, my living or housing expenses. Since I don't have rent payables, I only have my furniture and essentials expenses. So that's 43 pesos for a week. And the same goes to the following or the rest of the categories. You just have to include, or you just have to enter your expenditures. Step 5. Record actual spending. As the month goes on, update your column C with your real spending in each categories. Step 6. Add totals. So in adding totals, let's cite a sample here. So for my food expenses, specifically for my groceries, from Sunday to Saturday, we just have to use the formula of equal the sum of C23 to I23, or you can just drag from C23 across to I23. Then for the total food expenses, enter the formula equal sign sum, then open parenthesis J23 to J26, or you can just drag down from G23 to J26, then press enter. And so that is what we're going to do for the rest of the categories. Then, to get the net expenses or total expenses for the week, we will use the formula equal sign sum, and then open parenthesis J17, J21, J27, J34 to J38. So in order to automatically input the specification, just click the cells of the totalities in every expense categories, then click enter to get the net expenses for the week. And do the same procedure for the following weeks. From week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, just follow the same procedures. Step 7. Calculate net balance. So below those totals, compute your net balance. So in order to calculate the net balance, after applying all the procedures and formulations for the 4 weeks, let's proceed to the total expenses for the month. So every week we have our total expenses. We just have to copy the amount for every week and still with equal sign in the cell so that the changes of any amount will automatically adjust. Finally, again with an equal sign and an all caps sum word, then a parenthesis, which inside the parenthesis are the actuals. Just drag down from the amount in week 1 to week 4, then click enter to get the net expenses for the month. So the formula would be the equal sign and the capital word sum, and inside the parenthesis we have J39, J68, T41, and T70, and just click the enter button so that you can get the total or the net expenses for the whole week, or the whole month rather. So my total expenses for the month of April is 4,832 pesos, while my total allowance was 6,200 pesos. Step 9. Format for clarity. Finally, make it easy on the eyes. Bold your headers and totals, add borders to separate income and expenses, and use conditional formatting. So obviously for me, I was formatting while I was editing, and we don't have issues for that. You can format anytime you want, but it is better if you format it also after all the editing. And there you have it, a clear Excel-based budget that shows exactly where my 6,200 pesos went in April, and which we can tailor for any month. And I hope you find this video tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.